You tried to pull a political stroke of huge magnitude, that sham, where you tried to create the impression that independent TDs who negotiated the programme for government, who signed up for it in good days and in bad days, got to sit in the opposition benches and use opposition time. And we can't forget, can we, Michael, who was behind this grubby deal of government in the first instance? It was Michael Lowry, the star of the Moriarty tribunal, that found that Michael Lowry received over €1 million in direct payments and loan supports from Denis O'Brien, who he was instrumental as minister in delivering a state licensing contract to. Deputy Lowry in your government, who not only influenced but delivered the result, he engaged in a cynical and venal abuse of office. He was involved in attempting to influence an arrangement that was profoundly corrupt to a degree that was nothing short of breathtaking. Taoiseach, they are your words. Your words. You called him a rogue politician, now you welcome him back into the bosom of government. Deputy Lowry is a government-supporting TD, and you should facilitate him with speaking time. And I wonder if he will use that speaking time to come clean, to set the record straight about his involvement in the Doncaster deal, the purchase of Doncaster Football Club, funded by Denis O'Brien, a deal that the Deputy swore that he had no part in and was not to benefit from, which was completely and utterly false. So let me put some new information on the House. Deputy Lowry had 57 meetings in relation to the Doncaster deal, including here in the Houses of the Oireachtas, with the organisers of the project and representatives of sport. He also had meetings in the boardroom of Doncaster Football Club itself. So will he explain also, in September and October of 2001, why his accountant and his adviser paid the person putting the Doncaster deal together 2 bank drafts of £32,500 sterling and £25,000 sterling for his fee? And when he's doing that, maybe he'll explain why these payments came from an account in Gibraltar and where did they originate from. These payments were never disclosed to the tribunal. Will he use government's time to explain to this House and the public why he, on the 15th of March 2001, met with other key individuals in relation to this deal in Dublin? The outcome of the meeting was the creation of a false narrative and fake new documents that were given to the tribunal. Maybe he could explain why he, it is claimed, with 2 others that were central to these deals, met in a rural farm on August 2002 to burn the original documents pertaining to these deals. He did so to make sure that the truth would never see the light of day. The information that I'm telling you now, Taoiseach, comes directly from one of the men present.